બેંક ઓફ બરોડાની મુલાકાતે આજે આવેલા એસએમઈ લોન ફેક્ટરીના આસિસ્ટન્ટ જનરલ મેનેજર અજય માથુર સાથેની ટીમની ખાસ મુલાકાત, જેમાં બીઓબીની एसएमई लोन फैक्ट्री विषय अजय माथुर विस्तृत माहिती आपसे।
हमारे साथ मौजूद है एसएमई लोन फैक्ट्री के असिस्टेंट जनरल मैनेजर बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा के मिस्टर अजय माथुर, जिनसे हम पूछेंगे कि एसएमई लोन फैक्ट्री क्या है और इसके बेनिफिट्स क्या है। सबसे पहले अजय सर, आपको हमारी टीएनएन की ओर से वेलकम। मैं आपको सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूंगी कि व्हाट इज एसएमई?
SME basically it is defined under MSME Act 2006. As per the definition of the Act, in case of manufacturing unit, if the investment in plant and machinery is up to 10 crore, and in case of service sector, investment in equipments is up to 5 crore, they are basically covered under MSME or SME segment. In our bank, we have also expanded coverage for SME. Though they are not covered under MSME Act, but we in our internal classification, we are covering those units where the sales turnover is 150 crores, up to 150 crores. We are also covering that particular units under SME expanded definition. Basically, SME processing cell, the job role is to give, to process the proposals in a shortest period and give the decisions to those customers which are covered under this MSME sector at the earliest. That is the basic motive of separating that work task from the branches to a separate cell. In Bank of Baroda, we have around 52 SME loan factories across the country. Out of that, 11 factories are in Gujarat and 1 in Baroda. In SME loan factory, we directly entertain the loan applications or requests from the borrowers, or through branches also we are taking those proposals and processing those proposals so that speedy decisions can be given.
Yeah.
The basic purpose of is to cut short or give the hassle-free credit to the or timely credit to the borrowers. The basic purpose of SME loan factory is this.
When this building was established?
In fact, this SME loan factory was established in 2006, and it is functioning well since its establishment.
Which kind of people can apply for SME loan factories?
As I mentioned earlier, all the entrepreneurs which are covered under MSME segment or in our expanded definition of MSME, that is where the turnover of a particular unit is 150 crores, so they can apply to us for their financial requirement.
Both service and
manufacturing sector, they can apply, and we can process their proposals and give the timely decisions.
Do you have some separate scheme or policy in SME loan factory?
We have a separate SME loan policy. Bank has at corporate level it has been given, and we have also around 17 different schemes for MSME segment suitable to different customers. Like we have SME short loan, medium term loan schemes. We have SME loan pack scheme or Baroda Vidyastali for educational institutions. Likewise, we have around 17 schemes which which are basically designed for a particular taking into consideration the particular aspect of the requirement of the borrower. And in addition to that, we have a number of area specific schemes. Tiles and ceramic units, we have a separate scheme. Cotton ginning units, we have a separate scheme. And for leather and units, we have a separate scheme. And under these schemes, we give the benefit of concessional rate of interest and concessional processing charges. And with this, I think all entire segment is covered.